And welcome to another studio vlog. It's currently Wednesday. We've got Mike in the studio today getting to work on all your orders and everything, so thank you so much to everyone who has purchased on the store this week. I'm really excited because I'm going to visit my friend Lindsay in her studio over in Stockton, and I'm going to show her how I do my planner stickers because she really wants to get a planner sticker range out. She used to have some stickers before and she actually helped me so much when I was starting Katnipp. She was like my guru, and she actually showed me how to use the Cricut because I could not figure out how to attach the sticker sheet together. But I'm going to travel up and see her. She's been in her studio for a while now and I'm super excited because I haven't seen it and I think it's quite big. She always jokes about it not being like Pinterest worthy and Instagrammable, but a studio is a studio. It doesn't have to look pretty. It's nice to have a work environment that looks really nice to help you keep you motivated, but at the end of the day it's a working environment. You're there to process orders. It's kind of like a little mini factory. So I'm really excited to see her and hopefully help her out with that. And speaking about learning and teaching and stuff, I also want to say a huge shout out and thank you to our sponsors today, Skillshare. So you guys know I literally talk about Skillshare all the time. You've probably heard of them before because they really are an amazing online platform filled with thousands and thousands of online classes. Say you wanted to learn how to run an Etsy shop, they've got videos and courses on how to run an Etsy shop. They've also got illustration tutorials. I actually use Skillshare myself and I recently used a pattern course which was really helpful for me because if you've seen my vlog a few weeks ago, I designed some tissue paper and I needed to create a pattern for the tissue paper, so I actually searched about it on Skillshare because I was a little bit unsure about pattern. I've never done pattern making. It's kind of just been a visual learning experience for me. Like I just look visually what looks nice and put it together, but I felt like I needed to make sure this pattern was right as it's coming on tissue paper, so that is one of the courses that I've recently been on and I really found it super helpful, super handy. Thank you so much Skillshare, and they are offering you guys 2 months free if you click in the link in my description, so you can test it out for 2 months, give it a go, see what you think. I mean, it's pretty epic. I personally like it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work now on editing a video. Let's get to work, shall we? It's so bright in here right now. That looks so scruffy. I really need to get some white paint. The winter sun is so odd. Like it's been dark for literally the last few days and now it's freaking blindingly bright. Oops. Oh, it's too long. I made it, but I have to go and find the paint display machines. Oh, they're over here. It's nice in here. It's got a little coffee shop as well. I feel like I want to be in a place like this eventually. Have my studio here with a cafe downstairs. Reminds me of college or something.
Yeah, it reminds me of that school. I don't know what it used to be.
Oh, look where you are. Cool. Oh, look, she's got an old... Is that an original? Oh yeah, it's the original painting.
I'm going to sell that in 20 years.
Oh yeah, it's not that good to be honest. Look at it. Look how good her studio is. Look at this pin organisation. Everyone on YouTube is going to appreciate this so much. I'm totally going to copy you, you know. So if you see this coming on my system, you've got Lindsay to thank for that. Look how many pins you've got. Seeing it like this, it's like actually insane. Are they your postcard ones? Look how shiny they are. Oh my god, I like your foiled. Yeah. Ooh, it's like matte and foiled.
It didn't come out the colour I wanted. I wanted it like this purple, but...
I think they look really good, you know. So this is a studio. How did you even cope in your second bedroom?
I don't know actually, because the second bedroom was probably...
that big. It was tiny, wasn't it?
It was absolutely tiny.
But you did it for years.
Yeah.
And look at all this. This is all your pins, is it? And then these are how she's got her greeting cards organised. Oh my god, you're so organised, Lindsay. This is putting... Are you joking? This puts me to shame, honestly. She's got all her greeting cards all labelled so she can just pop in. This is so efficient. It's actually making me want to go back and rip my whole studio out. And then she's got her packaging on top for storage. Over here, she's been using No Issue Co as well. So if you see my studio vlogs a few days ago, I designed some No Issue tape and stuff, but you actually got sent this, didn't you? But look how good that is. The quality was really, really nice as well. I like the pink one. And over here is all her washi tapes. Oh, I haven't seen this one.
I did quite a few that did.
I love this. This is perfect for Valentine's Day.
This is my favourite one.
Oh, the little clouds. Oh yeah, it's nice and fat as well. Fat boy. Oh, look, all these. What the heck?
It's not organised at all.
I think it's not organised at all, she says, with nice, neat shelving units. I'm assuming this bit is where you ship all the products.
That's my packing station.
Packing station. This is a clever idea. Where did you get that from? IKEA again?
That's literally just a curtain call from IKEA. I had loads of stuff on it.
Oh, that's such a good idea. What the hell, you can put, like you put rolls on it.
Yeah.
That is such a clever idea. What about the desk? I love that. Is that an IKEA?
Everything's from IKEA.
Everything's from IKEA. Oh yeah, you've got another one.
Yeah.
And then desk. And then this is where all the magic happens, all the design work happens. Has it turned out good? Let's see.
I wonder if it was my internet settings last time.
Yeah, it's way better. It looks so cute. Oh, is that shading from the sun? They're so temperamental, aren't they? So I'm back from having a lovely coffee catch up and time with Lindsay. We sorted the stickers out. She just needs to change her blade because it wasn't cutting all the way through her sticker sheets. So that's all sorted. It was really nice to catch up with her. Also, I was so jealous of her studio. It was so organised. I'm totally stealing the pin storage idea. I need to get some boxes, and she got those shelving units from IKEA. So I definitely want to do that. All I need to do now is to finish the Florida vlogs. I don't think I'm going to get much more done today because I need to go shopping for food. So that's what I'm going to get to work on right now. Alright, see you very soon. My voice is so annoying. I'm sorry about that. I'll get back. Guys, and happy Monday. I've been literally the worst vlogger this week. I've just kind of been picking up the camera. It's been when I can, really. It's been one of those weeks that's just been really admin-y and there's nothing really much to film. And today it's a very admin filled day, kind of a day where I'm like this pretty much the whole day and this pretty much the whole day. But today I want to film a video for the Ohohu, I wonder if I'm saying that right, Ohohu markers that I've got back here that they sent me. I want to give an honest review on that, so I'm going to get all my camera equipment out and film that. I know you guys don't mind, but this is like the reality of the studio vlog. Some weeks I'm very heavy on illustration and making new products, and then some weeks are just admin weeks, catching up to like emails, comments, because I like to be as active as I can replying to comments, but I know it's easier said than done. Everything took longer than I thought it was going to take. This week I'm feeling a lot more refreshed and ready to go, so whether it was just hormones or something, I don't know. I was feeling pretty tired and lethargic during the day, but now I'm feeling good. I got my coffee and I'm ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is reply to all your guys' comments on my last studio vlog. I try and reply to every single one of them, but it's really hard, so just know if you get a little heart that I've seen it, and yeah, it's just really hard to reply to every single one, but I do read every single one, so thank you so much for those of you who comment. It really does mean the world. I love seeing you down in the comments. Okay, today's a special day because I've just got the news off my friend that Studio Ghibli is coming to Netflix, all the feature films, on February the 1st. It's honestly hard to get hold of Ghibli films. I have DVDs back from ages ago, like Kiki's Delivery Service and Spirited Away, which was one of my favourite at the time, like when I was younger, but now they're all coming to Netflix, so I can do a binge. So I'm going to quickly just draw a little Totoro and share it to my Instagram, really simple quick illustration, because I'm feeling inspired and I'm super excited about this news. Okay, I've time warped, I'm back. It's now nearly 6 PM and I finished filming my Ohohu review, which should be on my channel before you see the studio vlog, and we also ran out of greeting card plastic sleeves that we normally use, and Emily came in, so I'm going to take you through to the other studio and show you guys what we kind of came up with. Let me know in the comments what you think to this as well, because I would like your advice, because it's either a choice between getting some more cellos in that are more biodegradable and compostable, or leaving them naked the way they are with this little paper tag thing. The only thing with this paper tag thing is it is more time consuming to do as we're packaging the orders and stuff, but greeting cards, to be honest, don't really sell that well in my store, so is it going to be a big deal? Probably not. Anyway, I'm going to show you what we kind of got up to. Oh, it's dark in here, I need to turn the light on. Emily has actually been working on them, and I did an Instagram story. So initially they were in like these plastic sleeves like this, in these cello sleeves. These are too big and we've ran out of cello sleeves now that fit, but I want to start changing up, yeah, using plastic, try and reduce as much as I can. So we came up with two options, and I actually asked you guys on Instagram which one you prefer. I actually prefer the blue band with the sticker, so all we did was we printed blue onto a sheet of plain paper, and then we added the sticker. So this is a pink sticker with a blue band, and then this is a pink band with a blue sticker. So this is the alternative method, so it will go in the packages like this rather than in a plastic sleeve like this, and this normally has a Katnipp logo sticker on it. So let me know what you think. Would you rather have a card with less plastic and some paper on like this, or would you rather receive it a little bit more watertight? And yeah, and also let me know which colour combination you like the best. I personally like the blue strip better than the pink strip, but yeah, let me know your thoughts on that, guys. If not, I'll just stick with plastic, or I'll at least try and find a better solution. They're my new Valentine's cards that doesn't involve plastic. There is still some, so if you order any greeting cards, there is some still with plastic on, but Emily has been to work on that, so well done to Emily for sorting that out. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. I have no idea what footage I've got, whether this is going to be a short one or a long one, but I do know that because I took you to Lindsay's office, I'm not sure how much I'm going to keep in and edit. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a different vlog, going outside and seeing someone else's studio. All I'm going to do now is upload to TikTok. I'm going to do a quick video time lapse on Final Cut Pro and upload that to TikTok, and yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about those greeting cards, guys, because it's your opinion that means the most, because you guys are the ones who purchase off the store, and I want to make it as best as I can for you guys, so let me know your thoughts on that. And I will see you all very soon for the next studio vlog. Alright then, thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye.